Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and though I love having long hair, I also love doing a lot of things with my hair, which with that comes possible damage. So that's why I really like these Bessrung seamless hair ties. I particularly like this pack because they're all just neutral colors, which go along with anything that I'm wearing. The black, the khaki, gray, light brown, and dark brown. When you first look at them, you see how small they are, but I'm so impressed at how much they can stretch out. So if I'm putting all of my hair up, I can easily go around multiple times and make sure it's tight enough, but it is not causing strain on my hair, so that when I take it out, it actually comes out very easily. And I've noticed it doesn't cause a lot of breakage on the top of my head, which I really appreciate. But because I have thin hair, if I'm doing a braid where I just have to tie something at the end, sometimes hair ties that are good enough to handle all of my hair are too big to handle the end of my hair. And this one really did such a good job. Again, I even like the look of it. So even if it is gone around multiple times, it looks nice. Particularly the brown one just blends in right into my hair. So if you're a type of person where you like putting your hair in buns because it's hot or you're working hard, but you've noticed a lot of buildup of damage onto your hair, which makes it difficult then to have your hair down, these are the best hair ties I have ever used. I like the look of them, the colors, the texture, the feel. It feels so nice on my hair. I think you're going to love these hair ties, but that's my point of view.